Gracious country living awaits in the custom-built home located at 25 Bridle Path Drive, Barnardsville. This elegant home is nestled down a quaint dead-end street in a charming, quiet community, perfectly elevated to render spectacular sweeping mountain views. The stunning grand entrance is flanked on each side by stone pillars that step up to a massive covered front porch to soak in the views. This home was designed with the utmost attention to detail and upgrades galore. A beautiful natural light welcomes you into a spacious open floor plan. The formal dining room is on one side and the amazing study is on the other. Straight ahead is a wall of windows and soaring ceilings in the great room. The huge deck spans the back of the home and affords a glorious view of the valley and the mountains beyond. The upscale kitchen will please any cooking enthusiast with many custom touches, an extraordinary amount of storage and counter space, a butler's pantry between the dining room and kitchen, and a breakfast nook that looks out over the long-range mountain views. The master bedroom is located on the main floor and features a fireplace, private screen porch, huge walk-in closet, and a luxurious bathroom. The lower level features a large family room, billiards area, and a bar with a seating area. With 2 additional bedrooms, a bathroom, a separate entrance, this could be used as a second residence. The lower level is completed with a workshop, utility room, and a cedar closet. "25 Bridle Path Drive is a special home and it won't last long. Call today."